Want to transform your game footage into a highlight reel that scouts can't ignore? Let's dive into how to create a killer highlight video using Hudl. Step by step. First, log into your Hudl account and navigate to your video library. Browse through your games and identify those standout plays that showcase your skills. Think game-winning shots, incredible saves, or perfectly executed passes. Once you've found a great play, click on it and select the Add to Highlights option. This adds the clip to your highlight reel project. Repeat this process for all your chosen plays. Now go to your highlight reel project. Here, you can fine-tune each clip from the beginning and end to focus on the action, eliminating any unnecessary let-up or aftermath. Make your highlights even clearer using Hudl's Annotation Tools. Add arrows to emphasize player movement, circles to highlight key areas, or text to explain the play. Boost the energy of your highlight reel by adding music. Hudl offers a library of licensed tracks to choose from. Select a song that complements the pace and excitement of your plays. Before publishing, give your highlight reel a catchy title and a concise description. Make sure to include relevant information like your name, position, and graduating year. Adjust the visibility settings to ensure it's viewable by recruiters or your team. Finally, review your masterpiece and share it. Send it directly to college coaches, post it on social media, or embed it on your recruiting profile. Now go out there and make a video that will get you noticed.